Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh Unboxing with yet another bag. And I check all these items, even though this one I was 99.99999% certain it did not come from a troll because it came from Best Buy. And it came here really fast. And I bought this because I have trouble remembering what cord gets to what. Now, I have some of these in a different style, but they came with a nice gold or silver pen and the ink ran out. So I'm trying to find pens that write in gold and silver. And I have the tags, little round tags scattered around, but this is their other idea. This is the Dots Cord ID Pro. ID any home and office cord by color, number, or text. It says customizable inserts, quick and easy snap-on design, and universal fit. You get 12 cord identifiers, 24 device stickers, and 12 inserts. Never unplug the wrong cord again. So I bought this off of eBay. Perfect for foolproof AV wiring, including cable installations behind walls or separate floors or in different rooms. Fits all standard cords from 1/8 of an inch to 5/16 thick. And I have to use the flashlight again. Place customized numbered insert in window, snap shut. Apply matching device sticker and install cable. Also compatible with popular 1/4 and 1/2 inch labels from Dymo, Rhino, Brother P-Touch, and Brady Labels. Full installation. Instructions inside. Choking holes, hazard, small parts not suitable for children. Dots is not responsible for breaks, cuts, crushed, or any damage to cord, cables, or electrical devices. So this comes from West Hampton, New Jersey, and made in China. So there's the back, and there's the front. And I'm going to open this. And they have a little card here. Let's see. They have a, open this so you can see the dots. Here are the dots. Match sticker to selected identifier, color, and number. You get a sheet of stickers. And you get a 2 window sizes. Top window fits 3 inch inserts included, or 3/8. Sorry, I can't read this again. 3/8 times 1 1/4 labels. Bottom window fits 1 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch labels. So you get this little card. I don't have a label maker. I would use one. Before beginning, read all instructions. Open identifiers by releasing a locking latch. Plan to choose color identifier and match colored device stickers with numbered inserts. That's on the front. And on the back, using provided inserts, select and remove a perforated numbered insert. Write on insert if desired. Use a fine tip permanent marker. I have to go get a permanent marker. Place insert and cord ID Pro window pressing into place. Note the 2 window sizes. Insert only fit in the top window, the latch side. So it gives you instructions for the back. This is the best instructions I've seen in a long time. And you have a gray one, a white one, a green one, a yellow one, a red one, and a blue one. And in here there are, I'll show you the blue one because something I get is going to fit as soon as it's here. I'm not sure when it's going to get here. So one end will go to the cord, one end will go to the power thing or the USB port or whatever. So these look like little drop tanks for aircraft. These are different than the round dots I got in the past. And like some devices I have, if I can open these. fighting me, folks. There's a tab here, but I'm not sure how to open the thing. It says releasing locking latch. Well, I'm trying to release the locking latch. Here's something clicking. Ah, there we go. Just take your thumb and push and put pressure on it. So there's the one. Finger. Till it clicks. And then it opens up. So, as an example, I would take this charging thing from my phone with the label already in it, put it on the thing, it fits right to the tube, and just clamp it down. And I probably clamp it over the end because those always get frayed. And there you go. There's your item. And you'd have a label in there, and you'd know exactly what this goes to. It would say phone USB, or it would say maybe Android phone USB. And then the other part you would put on the USB and go Android phone USB and put that over there, and you'd have two blue things, and you'd know all the time what this cable goes to. And I have lots of cables and bricks. I have no idea what they go to anymore. So this will be invaluable for me. For a guy that doesn't remember stuff and doesn't always see stuff properly. And I'll take that off. And you have yellow ones or gold ones. I prefer to think of them as gold. And I thought they were pink. I guess they're kind of like watermelon. And you have green ones or lime. And you have a white one or clear. Semi-clear, I guess. I guess they're clear. And then finally you have a gray one. Or it could be black. Clear black. So that's it. That's what they look like. And I will go get a proper pen or a marking pen and start marking these with things I need. But the new device I'm getting will be color-coded because it is blue. And you'll see that later. All right, put these away with the instruction set and the cards and all that so I don't lose them into the equipment bin that is across from me. And somewhere I have a rubber band. But that's going to be a really good thing. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.